Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox closes instantly after launching on Windows. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure Roblox is completely closed. If the application window is open, close it. It's also a good idea to check that no Roblox processes are still running in the background. Next, open your web browser and search for Roblox download. From the search results, open the official Roblox download page. Once you're on the download page, click the download button. The Roblox installer will begin downloading to your computer. After the download finishes, open File Explorer and navigate to the Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to run it. When the installer launches, it will download and install a fresh copy of Roblox on your system. Once the installation is finished, Roblox will have a refreshed set of program files. In many cases, this resolves the issue and allows the game to launch normally without closing unexpectedly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox closes instantly after launching on Windows. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.